guys, so for this video it's going to be a Snapchat Q&A, and I think that this is probably going to go south pretty quick because I told you guys to ask me whatever you want to ask me. Alright, hi guys, I'm about to film my Snapchat Q&A right now, so yeah, here we go. So Oh My Tash says,
let's talk about Rochester because I am completely obsessed with her. She's like my Jamaican dream. I've seen all of her YouTube videos and I follow her on Snap.
aww. Boo, I bet you did not know that snap came to me and not on a Snap story. Thanks for the support. I'm filming my Snapchat Q&A right now, baby. Yeah, baby. Boo, I bet you did not. So I doubt you knew. You know when you send that you want to do a snap and you think that you sent it to the person, but you truly did not. Yeah, that's what happened to Oh My Tash. Okay. So, oh no, more snaps are coming in. Guys, it's so much. So lovely lady says, okay, so there's no song, but she says, hi, something all the time. I don't know. So Sheila Good Vibe says,
I think you're doing such an awesome job, and now you're going to the gym. That's amazing. You're my motivation.
aww, thanks boo. Cause I've been snapping, cause my phone was done. Oh, can we talk about my phone for a second, baby? So it was silver before and now it's rose gold. Not sure if you can see. And I also got a new screen. So it's like a brand new phone. The thing is, I bought this the back off of eBay. So it's like the phone guy said it was hell to apply the screen and everything. It's like you buy some cheap something, can't come give me for fix. I'm like, nigga, what you want from me? I don't have that much money to buy the real thing. So my phone is fixed and I was snapping with my iPad. So I couldn't have the phone in my hand while I was at the gym, because it was just too clunky. So I snap with my iPad when I'm leaving, when I'm going and stuff like that. And she says I motivate her. I didn't, as I said, I never started this weight loss journey to motivate anybody. And to be honest, right now, even though I'm seeing my collarbones, right now is the heaviest I've ever felt. Guys, I've been drinking that flat tummy tea for days, the night one, and the night one is what makes you. And babo, I have been. So I think I want to give my body a break from it, because the instructors to only drink it every other day, and mama has been drinking it 2 days straight, baby. 2 to 3 times a day. Because I feel so icky. Alright, so pretty gal bad says, just know I love you, protect yourself, careful, seriously, Black Lives Matter. Thank you so much, boo. And as I've been saying in my past couple of videos and also in my snaps, just please be careful on the road, and whatever contact you have with your loved one, let it be something that's meaningful, you know. Let it be something that you just say you love them. Is what I want to just let them know that you love them every single time, every chance they get. Especially if you're in an argument with your husband or your wife or your son, and you say, "Go on," or "Get out of my room," and they scream back, "I love you, mom. Still get out of my room," or "Go, man, I beg friend from you. I love you, but go." Just let them know that you love them, okay? So Azaria Brooke 07 says, yep, that's what I deal with, man. I don't think, let me tell you, and sometimes it happens to me, I mean to post things on my story, but it's sent to somebody. I'm like, God damn it, that's not what I wanted. So Carmel 175 says,
Girl, where you get them glasses from? Let us sister know.
Let us sister know. I love you guys' accent. So I got them from Funky Faces. All my glasses are from Funky Faces, guys. They're the bomb. I love them so much. Love them, love them, love them, love them. So Nadine Corey says, add him vibes, he's so cool. Sorry, it's vibes _800, add him. Ms. Pretty Bit says, hey, it's pretty much. Kibi Shahara says, I don't know what that is. I love your YouTube channel. So I'm a very big fan of the Rochester. I love your videos. Oh, look at my story. Okay. Alright, Miss Diamonds. Thanks for the support, boo. Nicole's _ says, red eyebrows inspired by you. Oh, thanks, mama. So IB _ DKick says, some not text lyrics should answer me now. So how do you avoid flashback? PS, I know some in a real life. You know some in a real life? Probably. And yet I raise and your thyroid. Alright then, so how do you prevent flashback? A lot of times, most of what we use, the powders that we use, it does give flashback. It's just how you apply it. I have found. So when I look at some Instagram photos and you see like this harsh yellow powder under the eyes, and they always, you know, tag banana powder, I'm like, my banana powder has never done that to me. It is all in your how heavy handed you are. So whenever I use my banana powder, I go on very lightly, and I bake with my Sasha Buttercup that I did not know how to use, but now I'm like, yes honey, give it to, when it's my total on the back, look in the beard, total of for going to, anyway. So yeah, so now I've been using the Sasha Buttercup, and I have not been getting I've never gotten flashback. And as I say, it's how you apply it, right? So when you apply it with a light hand. When you bake, and when you brush it off, you can fan it out if you want, but then use the same powder brush that you use to apply your powder, and use it to kind of push the product into your skin, yeah? So it doesn't sit on top. Then use a finishing spray so that everything melts into your skin. So everything melts and doesn't look like powder. So the cheapest finishing spray I can recommend is Elf's Mist and Set. It is really good. I'm wearing it today to set my glow. I'm wearing it on this side and on this side, nowhere else, because I wanted to set my glow. And set my glow meaning I wanted to kind of melt to my skin. So the Elf Mist and Set, or you can use Max Fix Plus or Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. These are the ones that I've tried that I'm telling you about. Or the Creme de la Creme Mary Kay's face. Listen, Mary Kay's setting spray is life. It is the best setting spray I've ever used, hands down. Hands down. I love it. So Miss Boss Lady David says, my homie Johnny. Alright, I wasn't supposed to get that. So Mika Gotti says,
hi Simone, it's Shamika. In regards to your snap I just watched and I went over your YouTube, it's because Jeffrey did some racism thing, that's why they're attacking him.
Alright, so this is what I've been waiting on, for somebody to bring up the whole Jeffree Star incident. No, I'm not going to label this video Black girl talks about Jeffree Star, or black girl Jeffree Star, or the truth about Jeffree Star, and have his face up and all that stuff. I'm not going to do that because I'm not looking for views. Right, and there has been a lot of controversy surrounding him and him being racist. Now, as I said, I'm not going to label this video whatever to get views or attention, because I'm just speaking as a normal human being. Now, you guys mistake us YouTubers for celebrities and famous people. We're not. We're just popular. That's all that is. We are just popular. I'm not a celebrity. I'm not famous. I'm nothing like that. Whenever I go out on the road, I'm not looking for people to know who I am. I'm not doing this. I'm not saying, I'm sorry, please no pictures. That's just not my life. I ride the bus sometimes. Sometimes I take a cab, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I walk till I want to go to. Sometimes I don't have money to pay my bills at the end of the month. I'm just a regular person. But because we're on YouTube, there's a lot expected of us, and I completely disagree. Because just like you, I'm a regular person with regular problems. On to Jeffree Star. As far as I'm concerned, I know a lot of black people are going to be like, bitch, you so stupid. But I honestly don't feel in my heart of hearts that he's racist. I really do not. And I truly support him. However, if he is racist or was racist, the only thing that anybody can show me are videos of the past. You have done things in your past that if somebody should bring up, somebody will say, yeah man, I saw a little girl say, or yeah, I know that's how she is from a long time. You are giving nobody any chance to change or to prove themselves to you. Why? Because you're perfect, or because they have one thing. For a lot of you watching me right now, somebody can do one thing and you cut them off for the rest of their life. One thing, so everything good that they've done means nothing to you. When the shooting in Orlando happened, he gave how much amount of money. He's been making snaps about the shooting in Orlando because it was within respect to his community, the homosexual community. Now granted, I did not see him put up anything about Black Lives Matter when the shooting happened, nor did I see other white YouTubers do that who are big, but nobody not coming at them, because there is, let's just say for the lack of a better, a history of what he's done in the past. Everybody has, most people, especially the black community, has written him off completely, but I'm not one of them. Not all of us have written him off. I haven't. His products are good. I'm wearing his lippy right now. His products are amazing. The pigmentation, God, the coverage on these lippies, it's good. And I'm not saying I'm going to sell out my soul because it is something good. I'm just going to buy and then forget who he is as a person. His products are worth it, because Lyric don't do that because they're still supporting him. Honey, we don't share the same views. views and we're not always going to share the same views? Why must everybody look at things the way you look at things because you're upset and you're mad? Everybody should be mad and upset. I shouldn't have an opinion of my own. I don't share the same views as him being racist. I really don't. He's one of the people who pushes me. Whenever I watch his snaps, I'm like, God, this is going to be me and more one day. Because he literally started from, he was popular in music, and then he said that he gave his savings into starting his brand. 2 years ago he was homeless. 2 years ago he was homeless, and now look at him. Irrespective of him being a homosexual and I'm a Christian, irrespective of him being an alleged racist, because I fully don't believe he's a racist. I fully don't. Not because he has a black assistant, and Lyric is a black assistant. What does that mean as a black assistant? I don't care that he has a black assistant. Really? Black people have white assistants. Are they racist? And some of you watching this right now saying that he's racist, you are racist. You've made racist remarks to other people you would think are racist. So don't come to me with this foolishness about who I should support and not support. And if you want to unsubscribe from my YouTube channel, go ahead. This is not the end and be all of Simone Henry, aka Lyric Rochester. It is not the end of me. With or without YouTube, I will still be me, Bobo. I did not mean to rant just now, but it has really been on my heart, and I really hope I got out everything I wanted. I really hope I don't edit anything out either. So this is probably going to be a part 2 because that was a long talk a while ago. So Toa Tack for you says, yummy chicken wrap. Why are you sending me this, Toa? Why? Dominoes. This is the devil. I'm not watching this. That's demonic. So Alicia 26 says, but if it's one, I kinda glad because I never get to send you snaps and tell you how fab you are. I love you from in. Thanks for the support, boo. I'm gonna call her Bae for the super Bae. So you know what's supposed to support? Really? What did she say? Did she say something and I missed it? Anyway, so I just responded to her. Ooh, dash with that and don't support that racist youth. See, same thing. It's dash with that. Boy, man, I tell you. And it's in Jamaica. I'm going to say something that may be so completely wrong, but in Jamaica, racism is not as prevalent as it is elsewhere. What we have more out here is classism, like I'm better than you, I have more money than you, so I'm automatically better than you, or I shop here so I'm better than you, or I have 10 pairs of Bridget, so nigga I'm better than you, or I wear only virgin hair so I'm better than you. That's what we have out here. Racism, nah. Our motto is out of many one people. We are mixed. We're like a big cooking pot here in Jamaica. So there really isn't any room for racism, just classism, and who can shop a sovereign or who can shop a sovereign. Classism. That's what we have. What do you drive? What are you? That's what we have out here. So Jamaicans aren't as affected by racism because we don't face that out here. And as I say in my video that I did with Fumi, I'd explained to you guys that in terms of authority, we don't have white men shooting black men here. We more have our police officers just thinking they have a God complex. So because they have a gun, they can shoot anybody at any time in whatever situation, and they can talk down to you, and they can say anything to you. They can run the red light. They can drive with one light on, and nobody can say anything to them because they just have an authority and a God complex. I think I'm going to end this video here because I'm just feeling very somber right now because I don't know how you guys are going to take this video, and I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to deter you from thumbsing down or commenting. And I know, irrespective of where I stand and what I say, some of you still are going to hold your end. In Jamaica, we'll call it odd end. Odd end. Odd end. So we say ya wol odd end, meaning you're sticking to your views, and I'm sticking to my views. I just think it's the world that we live in now. It's just so depressing. You have to fight to be happy. I've said things in my past, and if people should play that back again, I'd be embarrassed. And if that should ever go viral, you guys are going to have me as this big, I don't know, thing or whatever. I used to ask my friends for help back in the day, and now I can count on my hand how much people I trust with my life. when I say trust with my life, how much people I'd ask for help? I don't. And if I ask you for help, I'm scared less when I ask you for help. Because back in the day when I would ask friends for help, it was a big deal. I shouldn't be asking nobody for help, and me beggy and me this and me that, and I'm gonna walk and beg people. If I should say, boy, I don't really want this, people are gonna say it's because I want my subscribers to buy it from me, and I'm not into that. And because of that, my circle small, my circle teeny weeny, it's small. I rarely let people into my life. So by having a YouTube channel, a lot of you think that you are in my life, but the truth is you're not, because I'm very careful of who I let into my life. I assess you, and it's not because I'm more than you, but it's because of what I've been through and what I am going through. I can't let anybody into me. Not everybody's privileged to my life behind the scenes, because then everybody can't angle lyric. And me supporting Jeffree Star is truthfully none of your business. Who I support is none of your business. A lot of other big YouTubers are friends with him, and y'all don't go to their pages saying don't buy this and don't, and I can't believe you, I'm onto this. Y'all don't do that, because in your head there is a hierarchy. In your head I'm at the bottom of the YouTube pool, and the higher people, you'll never go to them with that bullcrap. Never. The most you say is I'm just disappointed, but y'all would never go off the way you guys went off on me yesterday. And I don't care what you want to say in my description box. I don't, because the truth is YouTube is not all I do. I have other things in my life I'm doing. I'm a young mother. I have other things in my life to do. I have other things I have to do. I have classes that I'm thinking about, shipping, thinking about new products to bring in, what I need to bring back, how I'm going to manage bringing this back, getting stuff into Fantana, going around the island teaching or educating. Plus I have a marriage, plus I have other personal issues. You have no idea who sits in front of you and record a video. You don't. So stop acting like by watching us and following us on Snapchat we are best friends. I'm sorry, but we're not. And that's what we don't say to you here on YouTube, that we are not best friends. We're not BFF. Boo and bae are common terms. This video will offend people. And you're allowed to feel how you want to feel. Everything that was said to me yesterday has offended me, and it struck a chord. And to be honest, whatever I screenshots I put on my Snapchat, that's all I saw. I did not read everything. I couldn't, because of ignorance, because of a hearsay. And any link he can post are links of the past. So even if he is or was a racist, let me just say was racist or is racist, was racist, nobody is giving him any chance to change. And that's foolishness. So you're saying really that you're better than him, that he does not deserve to change. As he has said in his snaps before, you don't know what it feels like to grow up as a homosexual. And I know I'm a Christian, I know that, but I'm talking about us as human beings. Even us as Christians face it day in, day out. People ridicule me for being a Christian, having a tongue piercing and nose piercing. People say I'm demonic, I'm a witch. One of my ex-boyfriend's father called me a witch. Some Obi and son, because I don't see what my son seen of me. I've been through my share. And for Jeffree, I just feel like he cannot get a break. That's how I feel, like he cannot get a break. And I don't think that's fair, not to humanity. And then we'll cuss and we say Black Lives Matter and all lives matter. No, it doesn't. Stop the foolishness. It doesn't. It doesn't. All lives don't matter. Just yours. Your life is the only life that matters. And you're the only one that deserves forgiveness. Just you. Nobody else.